is going to be a very important sum. It's a combination of midpoint formula and section formula. Okay, let's have that sum. There is a segment whose endpoints are 4, -1 and 2, -3. Let us name those 2 points as P and Q. So we know the coordinates of P and Q. If we join them, it becomes a segment PQ. Now this segment PQ is getting trisected. Trisected means 3 equal parts. Like we know bisects. Bisects means divides the segment into 2 equal parts. Likewise, trisects divides the segment into 3 equal parts. And for getting 3 equal parts, we should mark 2 points on segment PQ. Those 2 points, we name it as point R and point S. So now these 2 points are trisecting segment PQ. So which 3 segments are equal? Segment PR, segment RS and segment SQ. Let us mark those 3 parts equal. The question is to find the coordinates of that points. So we need to find the coordinates of point R and point S. Now remember children, since PR, RS and SQ are equal, we can say the ratio will be 1:1:1. I repeat, PR, RS and SQ are in what ratio? 1:1:1. So in this sum, we have got the coordinates of the points and the ratio. Which are the 2 points? It is point P, 4, -1 and point Q, -2, -3. And as I have said, trisection means the ratio will be 1:1:1 for PR, RS and SQ. Likewise, for point R, the ratio will be PR is to RQ is equal to 1:2. I hope you have understood. PR is to RQ is equal to 1:2. Now we got M1:M2 as 1:2. Let us apply section formula for internal division. This formula everyone is very aware about. So point P is x1, y1 and point Q is x2, y2. And remember how much was the ratio? 1:2. Let us apply section formula. Now once you write the section formula, the solving part should not be difficult at all. After writing the formula, let us substitute the values. Okay, x is equal to m1x2 plus m2x1 upon m1 plus m2. Do we know the value of x? No. Let us write x as it is. m1 and m2, yes we know it is 1:2 respectively. So we write 1, 2 upon 1 plus 2. How much is x2? x2 is -2 and x1 is 4. Therefore, -2 plus 8 upon 3. That is 6 upon 3, which is equal to 2. So x coordinate of point R we got as 2. Let us solve now for y coordinate. Y is equal to ratio 1:2. So 1, 2 upon 1 plus 2. How much is y2? Let's see, y2 is equal to -3 and y1 is equal to -1. Open the bracket, -3 minus 2 upon 3. That is -5 upon 3. So y coordinate we got as -5 upon 3. Therefore, we get one of the answers. Point R, 2, -5 upon 3. Since we calculated point R, now we are left with only one more point, which is at point S. Let us continue. According to the given information, point S is a midpoint of segment RQ, where R coordinates are 2, -5 upon 3. Q coordinates are -2, -3. So point S is the midpoint of segment RQ. Let us apply midpoint formula to calculate the coordinates of point S. Midpoint formula, I hope you remember, x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2, where R coordinates are x1, y1 and Q coordinates are x2, y2. Therefore, by midpoint formula, let's write S coordinates will be 2 plus into minus will be minus. So it is -2. upon 2 again, comma, y coordinate will be minus 5 upon 3 minus 3 upon 2. First calculation is simple. 2 minus 2 will be 0 and 0 upon 2 is also 0. Next calculation, by taking LCM, we get minus 5 minus 9 upon 3 the whole upon 2. 3 upon 2 can be written as 6 also. So it is minus 5 minus 9 upon 6. 0 upon 2 will remain 0 and it is minus 14 upon 6. Minus 14 upon 6 can be reduced by 2, which comes to minus 7 upon 3. Therefore, S coordinates are 0, minus 7 upon 3. So we calculated both the answers. Point R 2, minus 5 upon 3. Point S 0, minus 7 upon 3.